So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Google Family Link on your iPhone. So to do this, it's pretty simple. Download the Google Family Link in your App Store and then welcome to Family Link. So continue in your Google account. So it would like to send notifications, press allow of course. So of course you're going to have a child, so perhaps you're going to say yes. So here you get your child's device, open settings, and then here you will have your directions for them. So there you go. So from there, you want to create a Google account for your child and so on and so forth if you don't have a Google account yet. So once you've done that, you can basically have control once you have linked it here in your family link. It's just that simple. So here's just the device instructions for your child's device. Open settings for Android devices, then go to Google Parental Controls. For Chrome OS, go to OS device and people and then parental controls. So there you go. It's just that simple. So from there, if this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.